Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this video we will learn what are the joins in Laravel. In the previous video we have already learned about the aggregate functions in Laravel. So in this video we will learn about the joins in Laravel. So in the Laravel the joins are used to connect the two tables. Suppose if we want to connect the two tables, for example one is the user tables and one is the company table, and we want to connect the both tables, then we will use the joins in Laravel. So in this video first of all we have learned what are the joins in Laravel, and we will create the controller. Also we will import the database files by using the query builders, and we will use the joins by using the where condition. So in this video we will also learn how to use the where conditions with query builder. So let us start. For that we need to open the project which we have already created in the previous video. So let us open the project. So these are the some users in the database, and I have already created a table company. In the company table we have a column user ID, and in the users tables the ID of the users tables we have used in company tables as user ID. This ID 11 and 15 we have used in company table as user ID. So we want to connect the company table and the user tables because company table have the user ID. So to connect the company table and the user tables we need to create the joins. So let us see how to connect these tables. We have already created the user tables in the previous video if you are following my previous video in series. So let us see how to connect the company tables and the user table. First of all we will return all the users. Now you can see we are getting all the users. So let us join with company user join, and we will pass some parameter, and first of all we will pass the name of the table to which join. We want to join with company table company. So in the next parameter we will check the columns of the table, which columns is same in company and the user tables is common. User ID and the ID tables are common in company table and user tables. So company dot which table user underscore ID, user ID, and in the next parameter we will pass the table name users dot ID. Save this file. Now you can see we are getting only the users. So let's refresh this page. Now you can see we are getting only two users, table data and the company name company test2 and company test1, user ID 11, because we have only two records in company table, user ID 11 and user ID 15, 11 and 15, and we are getting the two users. So let us see how to use the where condition. We can also select the columns like select suppose we want to get only company table data, this one, so we will pass companies dot star. Now let us refresh. Now you can see we are getting only company table data. We can select a specific column in company table also. For example, if we want to select only company name, then we will pass this table name, not star underscore name. So let us refresh. Now you can see we are getting only name of company. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.